Is your microphone not working when you are playing Valorant? Hi there, welcome. And if you can't chat with your teammates while playing Valorant using your headphones microphone, here's how you can fix it. Let's go. Solution 1. Before anything, check if Valorant has microphone access. To do this, go to Settings. Next, click on Privacy and Security. Now scroll down a little and click on Microphone. Then, turn on microphone access if it's off. Again, scroll down and turn on Let Desktop app access your microphone. Solution 2. If your microphone is still not working, try updating your audio driver. You can either update it from Windows Update or Device Manager. To update your audio driver from Windows Update, open Settings. Then, click on Windows Update and click on Check for Update. Now, Windows will update any outdated driver, including your audio driver. However, if there are no updates found here, you have to use the Device Manager. For this, type Device Manager in the search box and click on it. After Device Manager opens up, extend the audio inputs and outputs by clicking the arrow next to it. Next, right-click on your microphone device and select Update Driver. Then, click on Search automatically for driver. Now, Device Manager will update your audio driver. After this, reboot your computer and check if your mic is working. Solution 3. If it's still not working, try setting your microphone as default. To do this, simply right-click on the sound icon in your taskbar and click on Sound Settings. Now, in the Input section, click on the microphone you want to use as default. Next, scroll down a little and click on More Sound Settings. A new window will pop up. Here, click on the Recording tab. Then, right-click on your microphone device and select Set as Default Device. Right-click on the microphone device again, and this time, click on Set as Default Communication Device. Now, click OK and Valorant should detect your microphone. Solution 4. If that didn't work, try running the game as administrator. You can do this by right-clicking on Valorant icon and selecting Run as Administrator. Now, your microphone should start working properly. Solution 5. However, if you're still facing this issue, also check your in-game settings. To do this, first open Valorant and click on Settings. Now, go to the Audio tab. Then, click on Voice Chat. Here, click on Input Device and select your microphone device. Next, set your mic volume to a level that suits you. Then, turn on Party Voice Chat. Also make sure your push-to-talk setting is properly configured. And that's how you can fix the microphone not working issue in Valorant. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below and I will get back to you soon as I can. Thanks for watching.